Okay, wow. So this had to be the easiest way I've ever made money in my life. If you're a teen not doing this, you're probably missing out on hundreds of dollars because honestly, this is so simple and so easy. I don't know why more people aren't doing this. That's actually crazy. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and in today's video I'm going to show you literally the best way teens can make money online this summer. It's going to be the #1 side hustle, and you're going to want to learn exactly how you can get started. If this sounds interesting to you, leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So chances are, if you're watching this video, you're a teen looking to make some serious income this summer. Well, look no further, because in this video I'm going to show you the #1 most lucrative side hustle teens can do this summer. It's literally something that I personally have done. The greatest thing is you don't need to show your face. This can be done worldwide at any age, and it's going to pay you a lot of money if done correctly. So make sure you stay to the end. And as always, guys, as you know, I love rewarding people that watch the video until the end. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a special offer that you don't want to miss, and it's going to allow you to also make a lot of money as well. All right, guys, so one more thing before we get into the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It allows me to make more and better content for you guys. So let's get straight into it. What is this special side hustle that teens can do this summer that's going to make them a lot of money? Well, look no further than Instagram right here, guys. So actually, let me go to my personal Instagram account, and basically, to put it in a quick and easy fashion, what you're going to be doing is growing your own niche Instagram account. And before you click off and say, well, Alex, that's going to be too hard, that's not going to pay me good money, I'm going to show you a technique that I personally use. I've made over $700 doing this, and it's literally doesn't take that much time whatsoever. And I'm going to go into the exact techniques you want to follow. So what do I mean exactly? How are you going to do this as a teen without showing your face? That's very important, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be combining Instagram and also affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically allows you to partner with other companies and programs and promote their products and earn a commission. We'll get a little bit more into it in later on in the video. So if we take a look at my Instagram page here, we can see that I post kind of what we call infographics, right? And these infographics, you can literally get them for literally so cheap on Fiverr, and we'll go into that. But basically, I'm posting infographics, right? I'm not really showing my face here, but I'm posting one infographic a day, and it literally has certain hashtags and stuff like that, like business, entrepreneur, mindset, basically, you know, simple stuff like that, all right? And what you're going to want to be doing is you're actually going to be wanting to model a page very similar to one of my partners right here. And as we can see in the bio, I'm partnered with this guy named Business Inclusive. And he does this exact business model where he simply just uploads one infographic or one Instagram picture a day and uploads about 1 to 2 reels a day. And he's getting a lot of traffic to his Instagram page. Whether you believe it or not, Instagram is still probably one of the most lucrative ways to grow a business and make a good money off of Instagram. So it's really simple, really easy, and all you're doing is posting about one infographic a day, right? And I'm gonna show you guys where you can actually get some one infographic a day, and you're gonna be getting a lot of your traffic from reels, actually. So reels, just like TikTok, there's 30-second videos. TikTok is 60 seconds, reels are only 30 seconds, and you're gonna want to be using kind of niche account stuff. So basically business, entrepreneur, motivational stuff. And you want to be uploading 1 to 2 reels a day, and they're really simple, right? They're just, you can get short snippet of someone famous saying a famous speech like Elon Musk here, and you want to post that 1 to 2 times a day. And this is going to grab a lot of traction. It's going to grab a lot of people over time, and you're going to slowly but surely grow your following by posting reels. And as you can see here, you want about 15 to 20 hashtags related to your video. So as you can see here, this is Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, and he's basically just using hashtags relative to, you know, what Elon is saying here, which is just motivation in business. And what you're going to be doing, this is how you're going to make money. If you check the bio of Business Inclusive here, you're going to see he has a Beacons page. Beacons is a free website that allows you to put links on your website here. And he has his own thing where he's going to be charging people to be mentored, or, you know, paid services basically. And you're going to be doing the same thing, but instead of doing what he does, you're going to be going to a website called Digistore24 here. And let me just type it in. Digistore24 is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can get affiliate products. You sign up for free, 100% free. You can sign up, And once you sign up, register, make an account, you can find products and services that are made by people, and you can promote them with an affiliate link and earn money for doing that. And we're going to go into this right here. This is the marketplace. So once you sign up, and as you can see here, you can get paid $200, $162, $344 for promoting products that have already been made, already have a website, already have a payout platform and everything. All you have to do is promote them, and you'll get an affiliate link to do that. So what you're going to be wondering, what can I promote? What should I promote specifically? This is the product I want you guys to focus on right here. Intelligent Cryptocurrency. Basically, this is an educational software / program that teaches people how to do cryptocurrency. And if you aren't aware, depending on when this video was made and when you're watching this video, as of now, cryptocurrency, as of May 25th, 2021, cryptocurrency is one of the most trending things in the United States, or actually around the world, really. I figured this out on Google Trends. So as you can see here, crypto has been trending. It's been on the upwards trend for quite some time now. So it's very trendy. People are in demand for it. They really want to learn about crypto, make crazy money with crypto. Bitcoin is going crazy. So as we can see here, it's a very lucrative business model. It's in demand. People want to learn how to invest in crypto. So this right here is a software. It's called Intelligent Cryptocurrency. You can get it on Digistore24 for 100% free. Once you sign up, you make an account. All you're going to be doing is promoting this product. And the great thing about Digistore24, it actually allows you to have a support page. So let's say you're not too familiar with promoting, right? You're not a marketer, you're not a genius, right? You don't understand it, and that's totally fine. All you have to do is go to the affiliate support page, and it's going to show you how to promote their product, right? So it's going to go into depth. They have a almost 4-minute video about testimonials of people that have actually taken the program in training, and they go into literally how to actually promote it, how to get your affiliate link, and how to start promoting. They show you how to do it, and they give you a document with swipes, I believe, that you can actually pull up here. Yeah, they give you emails, registration swipes, a whole bunch of stuff that you can actually send out to people. And they make it so easy for you, and they literally give you banners, pictures, and stuff that you can use. But what you're going to want to be doing is when you're ready, you're going to click the link here. This is going to be your affiliate link, and you're going to put that in your Beacons bio. You're going to create a Beacons account. This is a website here, beacons.ai. You're going to get started. You're going to make a nice little Beacons page and paste your affiliate link in there and put it in your Instagram bio. And then you're going to be ready to go. You're going to be ready to start creating content here, and you're going to really want to model your stuff off of a motivational account, right? Something very similar to this. And it's really simple, guys. Have a strong bio. What I mean by a strong bio, you can see here, DM for paid services, or click link to get started. You can do something like click the link to make money online, or something along the lines like that. And these are Instagram niche page. They're so easy. They're so simple. You don't have to show your face. You can get all the content you need for free. One of my favorite platforms to get free content is Pexels.com. Right here, you can get free images and stuff like that. You can also go on Canva. You can also go on Canva right here, canva.com, and you can make infographic and posts like that on Instagram. And for 100% free. And let's say you don't really know how to make posts like this, you can actually go and buy them off of Fiverr. So if we go to Fiverr here, we type in infographics, IG, something like that. You can see you can literally get a whole bunch of infographics, $20 for a bunch of infographics. You can pick the difference, how much they make, how much you want to go for. So either 10, 20, 30. You can get probably some cheaper than that, actually. And as you can see, you'll tell them what kind of infographics you want. Boom, bang, bang. You set up a whole entire Instagram page just doing something this simple, this easy, guys. So if we take again look at my page, I post my face and on my reels and stuff like that, but you guys don't need to. You can literally get free videos and stuff like that. So that is literally all you're doing. It's the #1 side hustle. I've literally made money doing this exact side hustle, guys. Somewhere on the screen you should have already seen it, or maybe you're looking at it right now, where I literally made a company literally paid me just to promote, something crypto related, right? And it's literally so simple. You're just making a wealth/niche account. And since you stayed to the end of the video, I'm going to give you something before we end it off. So yeah, alrighty. So since you stayed to the end of this video, I want to reward you with a gift for basically saying, that's my way of saying thank you for watching the whole video. So basically this right here is a PDF guide on how you can turn your Instagram into a 6-figure side hustle. It goes over growth strategies, engagement strategies, and learning how to monetize Instagram. And you don't have to be a certain age to do this, right? That's the best thing about it. It's a PDF, it's a full guide. It goes over a lot of important details, facts, and information, tips and strategies on how you can grow your Instagram and start making a lot of money doing it. So I want to give everyone a free copy of this. Literally just for all you have to do is go over to my Instagram, Financially Free Alex, drop a follow and shoot me a DM saying Instagram growth, and I'll send you your free PDF. That's as simple as that. And it's a pretty lengthy PDF. There's a decent amount of pages here. There's 19 pages to this, and it goes over literally everything. So literally how to get your first 10K, how to get started, the mindset you need, books to read, get inspired, get a logo, what to post, engagement, monetizing, shout outs. It goes over literally everything, guys. So this is personally what I used. So if you want to get access to this ebook, just go over to my Instagram, Financially Free Alex, drop a follow, shoot me a DM saying IG growth, and I'll send you your free PDF. So with that being said, I hope this video helped you guys. All my teens looking to make more money this summer, definitely hop on this. And if you will have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be able to give you any tips or any advice. So with that being said, I'll see you guys all next time, and you guys take care.